Welcome to our session of data handling, that is your exercise 3.3. Let's move on that. In this we'll study about the two types of graph, that is a bar graph and your double bar graph. In bar graph it displays the information using the bars of uniform width and their heights, and in double bar graph a bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously. We'll be drawing these graphs along with the exercise questions. Let's move to our question number 1. Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. We have been provided the graph in the question. Pets owned by the students of the class 7. Number of students are displayed on y-axis and pets, that is dog, cat, etc. are displayed on x-axis. The question is, which is the most popular pet? We have to look at the bar which is the having the height, the longest one, that is given by cats. So cats is the most popular pet among the students. How many students have dog as a pet? So in the bar of dog which ends at 8. So answer is 8 students have the dog as pet animal. This is the readings we are taking from the graph which is given. Moving to question number 2. Read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by the bookstore during the 5 consecutive years. About how many books were sold in 1989, 90 and 92. From the graph we need to find books sold in the year 1989, that is 180. In 1990 it is about 490, and in 1992 it is about 295. Then in which year were 475 books sold? About 225 books sold. The 475 books were sold in year 1990. We are reading from the graph these values, and 225 books were sold in the year 1992. Then in which year were fewer than 250 books sold? That is in the year 1989 and 1992. Then comes, can you explain how would you estimate the number of books sold in 1989? On y-axis the line is divided into 10 small parts of the 10 books each, so we can estimate the number of books sold in 1989 is about 180. Moving to our next question number 3. We have been given the data, the classes and the number of children. In that, how would you choose a scale? And we answer the following question: which class has the maximum number of children and the minimum? See, the scale on the y-axis is 1 centimeter equal to 10 students, and ratio of the students of class 6 to the students of class 8. Fifth class has maximum number of children, that is 135, and 10th class has minimum number of children 80. So number of children in class 8 is 100. Ratio of the class 6 to the students of class 8 is 120 divided by 80. We are dividing the number, we'll get the lowest term as 6 and 5, that is 6:5. Moving to next question, again the chart has been given to us. In this subject, first term and second term, we have to make the double bar graph in this. In which subject the child improved his performance the most. In maths, the performance of the student improved is the most, but the reading which is given for the first term marks and the second term marks, which we have to display in the bar graph. In which subject the improvement is least? In social science, the performance of the student is the least one. And has the performance gone down in any subject? Yes, in the performance of the subject has gone down. From the reading given in the table or as well as from the graph, we will get this information. Moving to question number 5. Again, we have to draw the double bar graph for watching and participating for the favorite sport: cricket, basketball, swimming, hockey and athletics. And which sport is the most popular? By looking at the reading, we'll find out the cricket is the most popular sport and in which performance watching or participating sport is watching the sports is more preferred by the people, and we have to draw the graph also. Moving to question number 6, again the data has been given and we have been asked certain questions on the basis of the temperature of the cities as on 26 2006. Maximum and minimum temperature has been given. Let's go to the answer of first. The Jammu has the highest difference between maximum and minimum temperature. We have been given this graph. So 41 minus 26 is 15. Hottest city, that is Jammu, is 41, and temperature and of the coldest city Bangalore is 21 degree Celsius. Bangalore has the maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius, less than the minimum temperature, that is 29 in Ahmedabad, and Bangalore has the maximum temperature 28 degrees Celsius is less than the maximum temperature 29 in Jaipur. And the last question answer is Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature, that is 32 degrees Celsius minus 27 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 5 degrees